What's up, family? How y'all doing? Walter Carter here with CCCITS, here to talk to you today about a new laptop that we have for sale. That particular laptop is the Dell 5540. This particular computer is a very capable machine that most working professionals and students would find a very, very capable mobile workstation. It comes with a lot of premium features. The very first one I'd like to talk about is the size of this notebook. It is what we would call an ultrabook. It's very thin and compact as far as the bezel is concerned. It comes equipped with a touch screen as well as 16 gigs of onboard RAM and an SSD hard drive. This is a premium notebook with a lot of premium features, and I believe that you will find this to be a breeze to work with. As a matter of fact, I'm thinking about picking this one up for myself. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so you can see from the specs, this is a real fast, snappy computer. It's a 13th generation Core i5 multi-core processor, 512 gigabyte hard drive. As you can see from the device manager, all of the devices and drivers are installed and optimized. Oh yeah, one other thing while I'm in here. So 5540. Just so you'll be aware, if you wanted to pick one of these guys up directly from Dell right now, you see the prices here, right? Okay. We're only asking a fraction of that price right now. And of course, there are different versions here. That's an i7, but these two are i5s. They're still 15 and 14. And you see the prices here. As a matter of fact, let's be more specific. i5. You see the prices. And these are not computers that you can walk into and purchase at Walmart. And these are not refurbs. These are brand new in the box. Feel free, give us a call, or link's gonna be in the description. Thank you so much for your time. Once again, this is Walter Carter, signing off.